everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and I'm really excited because I just got home from work. The kids are down for the night, and I had a package that I wasn't expecting to get today, and I thought instead of saving this for another mail call video, let's just go ahead and do an unboxing right here, right now. I'll post it tonight, so it's a bonus video for this week. 2 of my Morgans came in. Now, according to my tracking information, I should have in here the Denver and San Francisco minted 2021 silver Morgan half dollars, and I am super stoked for it. So instead of waiting for everything else to come in, waiting till I have enough content to do a mail call, we're just gonna open them now together. I have not opened this at all. Usually on my mail call videos, I will open things beforehand just to make sure there's not any personal or revealing information. But in this case, just have to make sure that the receipt that is in here is not visible to you guys, because that it does have my mailing address on it, my personal mailing address. Let's get this open. Now, let me just make sure, yep, oh, here they are. Yep, I'll slide these out. Put this off to the side. Now, I actually just came back from the post office later this afternoon, mailing my PCGS submission. And when I was doing it, I did notice in the paperwork that I was a little bit wrong. To get a first strike designation, you can actually submit coins that have already been opened. They just have to be within the 30-day window that PCGS has for submissions. I've actually just finished looking at PCGS, and there is no PCGS numbers or a first strike listing for the Morgan or Peace dollars from 2021. So I've thought about keeping them in the box, but since they aren't listed as a first strike designation and there's no entry in PCGS's website for these yet, I'm probably going to open them and I will send them in later when I get the other 4. Now, if you know of how to submit these, or if PCGS has this listed someplace that's hard to find, let me know in the comments below, because I can't find for the life of me where the 2021 PCGS listings are for these, or on the first strike page. These are not listed on their first strike designation page either, so I'm not really sure how to go about doing this, but I know what I'm going to do right now, and that is open these with you live. Oh man, I am so excited for these. The artwork is a little bit different from the, let me get an empty box here, the ASEs. Yeah, you can see that the font's a little bit different. Don't love how filled in the Morgan head is on this, but it's just the box. Let's check out the Denver one. There is the COA. I'm also interested to see the condition of these coins. I'm not sure if these are going to have the same issues that the ASEs did. Some people were having complaints, and I think that this might be out of its holster, but I'm not sure. We shall see. Yeah, it is. So it did pop out, but it is still in the capsule, and check that out. I do see some marks on it right to the left of her nose, Lady Liberty's nose. It does look like there is some chatter there, doesn't it? Yeah, you can see it. That is disappointing. That is disappointing. That will probably not get an MS-70 because of that. There is the Denver mint mark. Let's check this side. There is some black fabric here. This side looks good. I don't see any chatter. I don't see any marks. You see how close I can get this so you can see that Denver mint. It is a tiny mint mark. It is a tiny mint mark for sure. I'm kind of bummed about that chatter. Yeah, that is not on the coin case. That is, I could see it from my perspective. That is on the coin itself. So that is going to take it out of MS70 contention when I go to send this in. That is disappointing. That is disappointing. Not going to lie. That is disappointing. And you're getting my reaction live, so I can't edit it out. Anyway, let's check out San Francisco. Same box, same packaging. This one looks better in terms of the fact that that was put in, that was still kind of in its tabs there. You can see all the information right there. Yeah, this doesn't look like this moved around. Yeah, that is still in its holster. And there are no chatter marks on that coin. That's what it should look like. That's what it should look like. And the reverse is flawless. You can see that. I can't find a single scratch, scrape, errant mark. You can see that tiny estimate mark. I'll try to get it as close as I can. They are tiny mint marks, but that is a beautiful strike. Very happy with this coin. And I'm hoping that that gets one of those MS70s when I send it in. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have both the San Francisco and Denver mint mark coins, and a little bit disappointed in the Denver. And I will probably be doing a second and third video just like this when I get the CC and O and the Philadelphia and Peace dollars in as well. But we'll compare these side to side real quick. There we go, and you can definitely see them up close and personal. Denver is on the left. As soon as I can get it from not washing out. San Francisco is on the right. So let me know in the comments below what you think. I am irritated about that damage right there. And I probably won't send it back because who knows if they even have any stock to replace them, but it might be something worth looking into. But the Denver does have some damage. The San Francisco does not. And we'll just flip them over one more time. Have any of you gotten these coins? And if so, have any of your coins had any damage? Because I guess that would be a good conversation to start now. Denver and San Francisco. So look out for the next mail calls when I do these. There'll be part B and part C. Like I said, thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. The Morgans are out. The Peace dollars are coming. Did you get yours? What condition are they in? Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. Remember, it's always a mystery, unfortunately, until you crack open those boxes from the U.S. Mint and see what kind of condition the coins you purchased are in. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching this with me. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.